Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 26, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet we will discuss about physical properties of metals and non-metals and some chemical properties of metals. Elements can be classified as metals and non-metals on the basis of their properties. So according to the properties of elements, they can be classified into two groups. First one is metals and second one is non-metals. Here some examples of metals and non-metals are given to you. These metals are iron, aluminium, silver, copper, etc. These are the examples of metals, while the hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen, etc. These are the some examples of non-metals. Now the properties of metals and non-metals. First one is luster. Metals have shining surface, while non-metals do not have shining surface except iodine. Iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous or has shining surface. Hardness, generally metals are hard except sodium, lithium and potassium. All these three metals are very soft and they can be cut with a knife. Generally non-metals are soft except diamond, an allotrope of carbon. Carbon is a non-metal which can exist in different forms, and each form of carbon is known as allotrope. So diamond is the hardest natural substance. Next, state. Generally metals are exist in solid state except mercury. Mercury is a metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature. Non-metals generally found in solid or gaseous form except bromine. Bromine is a non-metal which exists in liquid state. Malleability. Metals can be beaten into thin sheets, that is why they are called malleable. Non-metals can't be beaten into thin sheets, they are non-malleable. Ductility. Metals are ductile because they can be drawn into wires, that is why they are ductile. Non-metals are non-ductiles. Conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are generally good conductor of heat and electricity except lead and mercury. These two metals are poor conductor of electricity. Non-metals are generally poor conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite is a non-metal which is very good conductor of heat and electricity. Density. Density क्या होते हैं बच्चों? Density means mass per unit volume. So generally metals have high density and high melting point. Melting point क्या होता है बच्चों? Temperature at which metals melt. Except sodium and potassium, these two metals have low density and low melting points or boiling points. Generally non-metals have low density and low melting points. Sonorous. Metals are sonorous, they produce ringing sound on hitting with a hard substance. And non-metals are non-sonorous, they do not produce any ringing sound when they hit with hard surface. Now we will discuss chemical properties of metals. First chemical property of metal is reaction of metal with air. How do they react with oxygen? Metal combine with oxygen to form metal oxide. मेटल जब ऑक्सीजन से कंबाइंड होती हैं तो क्या बना देती हैं? मेटल ऑक्साइड्स. Like copper combined with oxygen or reacts with oxygen, it is converted into copper oxide. Aluminium, when reacts with oxygen, it is converted into aluminium oxide. Different metal shows different reactivities towards oxygen. अलग अलग metals क्या करती हैं? उनकी अलग अलग मेटल्स की ऑक्सीजन की तरफ जो रिएक्टिविटीज़ होती है वो अलग अलग होती है. लाइक सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम रिएक्ट सो विग्रेसली दैट दे कैच फायर इफ़ केप्ट इन ओपन. अगर उनको खुले में रख दिया जाए, मेटल्स लाइक सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम, दे रेडली कैच फायर. सो दे आर केप्ट इमर्स्ड इन केरोसिन. उन्हें कैसे रखा जाता है बच्चों? दे आर केप्ट अंडर केरोसिन ऑयल. मैग्नीशियम, एल्युमिनियम, जिंक एंड lead. These metal reacts with oxygen very slowly. These elements or metals are covered with a thin layer of metal oxides. Iron do not burn on heating, but the iron fillings vigorously burnt. Copper does not burn, but it is coated with a black copper oxide. Means copper very slowly reacts with oxygen present in the air, and black copper oxide thin layer is coated on copper. Silver and gold, Ag and Au, do not react with oxygen. दोनों metal silver and gold do not react with oxygen or air. Now second property is chemical property, reaction of metals with water. How metal reacts with water? Metal when reacts with water, first they convert it into metal oxides and hydrogen gas is evolved. Then metal oxides again reacts with water and it is converted into metal hydroxides. So when metal reacts with water, they form metal hydroxides and hydrogen gas. Different metals show different reactivity with water. When aluminum, iron and zinc, these three metal reacts with steam only. These three metals only reacts with steam, they do not react with water. While sodium, potassium and calcium, these three metals reacts cold water because they are very reactive metals. Magnesium only reacts with hot water. Next, lead, copper, gold and silver, they do not react with water. ये metal water से react नहीं करती. Calcium and magnesium float on reacting with water. When these metals react with water, these metals float on water. Why? Because the hydrogen gas is formed, stick on the surface of these metals. Now some examples are given to you. When sodium reacts with water, it is converted into sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. During this reaction, large amount of energy is produced. That is why this reaction is called exothermic reaction. When magnesium reacts with water, it is converted into magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. When aluminum reacts with water, it is converted into aluminum oxide, Al2O3, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Now we will learn about amphoteric oxides. What do you mean by amphoteric oxides? Metal oxides which reacts with both acid and as well as bases. These metal oxides are known as amphoteric oxides. Examples of amphoteric oxides are zinc and aluminum oxides, means zinc oxide and aluminum oxides. These oxides of these two metals are amphoteric oxides. When aluminum oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, it is converted into aluminum chloride and water is formed. When aluminum oxide reacts with sodium hydroxide, which is alkali, it is converted into sodium. It forms sodium aluminate and water. Now let us practice question number 1. Name the metal which is liquid at room temperature. Name the metal. It is mercury, Hg. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Second, question number 2. Explain meaning of malleable and ductile. Malleable means metals can be beaten into thin sheets. That is why, or this property is known as malleable, while metals can be drawn into thin wires. That is why the metals are called ductile. Why are sodium and potassium stored under oil? Sodium and potassium, these two metals are very reactive. They readily catch fire when kept open in the air. That is why they stored under oil or in kerosene oil. What are amphoteric oxides? Give 2 examples. So, what are amphoteric oxides, children? Amphoteric oxides are metal oxides which reacts with both acids as well as bases to produce salt and water. These metal oxides are called or known as amphoteric oxide. Amphoteric oxides examples are zinc oxide and aluminum oxide. Thanks for watching.